This is Freeport at this moment. The dark clouds have dissipated for the time being, but a constant flow of light to wind is emerging and continuing all the time. Small trees are being wafted by the force of the wind. Traffic seems to be a bit more than normal for this time of the day. It seems to me that everyone is trying to get home very quickly for what is about to happen to us later this afternoon. So far in Freeport, the weather conditions have changed a little bit for the better. At the same time, we are taking the necessary precautions to see that everything goes well when the storm approaches and strikes. This is Pandit Vishnu Narayan from Freeport, giving you updates on potential tropical storm Bonnie. Thank you.